Dicen que el saber no ocupa lugar y en la vida hay tanto por explorar. Si quieres crecer, si quieres brillar, la puerta está abierta, solo hay que entrar.
Okay guys, we're going to continue with the next action. Remember the last video we talked about contractions and verb to be and pronouns, okay? Now we're going to have a short review about it. I'm a student, you're a teacher, he's a banker, she's a nurse, it's a dog, we are doctors, you're students, and they're soccer players. Okay, remember this is for affirmative sentence with the verb to be. Now we're going to talk about negative sentence. We're going to have the same structure, the same information, but the things that we're going to add a little bit different is the negative part. So when do we have to use the negative part? Okay, we have the same pronoun, I. In this situation, with the word am, you can make contraction. So it's I'm not a student. Okay? I'm not a student, right? This is the only way that we can make contraction. You can say I am not or I'm not, okay? But in the next ones, it's a little bit different. For example, you are not, but also you can write aren't. This is a contraction. Are not, aren't, okay? But now, today we're going to use just a contracted way, okay? So, we're going to erase this one. So, we're going to use you aren't a teacher. And this is faster. Listen, you aren't a teacher or you are not a teacher, right? So, it's better in the shorter way. Now, he is. In this situation is his. But also we have a contracted way. He is not, he's not, but the easiest way or the fastest way is going to be isn't. He isn't, okay? He isn't a banker. He isn't a banker, okay? Now we're going to say the same structure. Okay, this one, I'm going to write it down a little bit different, okay? But it's the same situation, okay? But it's another way to write it down. She's not a nurse, okay? It's the same. You can use isn't or you can use not. She's not, she isn't, it's going to be the same, right? So, it, in this situation, if you want to write that complete sentence, it's a good way too. It is not a dog. Okay? So, with the negative way, you have the three different options. Full form, contraction with the pronoun and the verb to be, or the verb to be and the negative way contracted. Okay? So, he isn't a banker. She isn't a banker. It isn't a dog. It's the same, right? So you can choose any of them. And that's all. It's the same situation with the word aren't. Okay, I'm going to write it down here, the examples. So, we aren't doctors. Okay, that's one. The next one, you're not students, right? Or the full form, they are not soccer players. Okay? So we have different ways to write it down. You can say, you aren't doctors, that's good. You are not doctors, that's good. You are not doctors, that's good too. Okay, so we have different ways to write it down. But the easiest way to write it down or to say it in the speaking way is going to be the contracted way. Okay, we aren't. He isn't. Okay, this one is the only one that has two options. I am not or I'm not. And that's all. Okay, now we're going to continue with the next part that is for questions. Okay, what happened with questions? If you see in this situation, we start the sentence in affirmative and negative. We start with the pronoun. But with questions, okay, those are questions, right? So with questions, we have to switch. We're gonna switch the pronoun and the verb to be. It's okay? So, am I? Remember, it says I am, so we're gonna switch a little bit. Am I? And the complement is gonna be the same, right? You don't need to change anything else. Just add the complement as is written in this way, right? So, am I a student? And that's all. Am I a student? And we have a shorter way to answer. We have yes or no, but you need to give more information. So that best way is going to be yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay? With positive sentence in a shorter answer, we can make contractions. Okay? I'm is not okay. It's not correct. Okay? Not possible. Yes, I am. You have to say the full form. It's okay? So we're going to continue. Are you a teacher? That's all. And your question mark. Don't forget your question mark. Yes. Even though you store the sentence with this structure, but if you don't write the question mark, it's not a question. It's going to be wrong. It's okay? So, is he a banker? Question mark. Is she a nurse? Question mark. Is it a dog? Question mark. Are we doctors? Question mark. Then we have the next one. Repeat at home, please. Are you students? And your question. Last one. Are they, soccer players? Are they soccer players? And that's all. For example, yes, no. Okay, is he a doctor? Yes, he is. No, sorry. No, he isn't. Okay? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. If you want to switch the pronoun, that's okay. Is she a nurse? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. And that's going to be everything, okay? So, in this situation. For plural, it's going to be the same. Are we doctors? Yes, we are. Or, no, we aren't. Okay? So this is the complete way to use the verb to be. Okay? In the next video, we're going to try to use another verbs and we're going to use another structure, not this one. Okay? So please click it in the next video. So see you guys.
Con temas de vida y vocación.